Hello, welcome to my channel Ailani Creations. My name is Wendy, and in this video we will learn how to make this bangle bracelet. Before we can make this bracelet, you'll have to first learn how to make this heart and diamond from this tutorial up here. I will provide information on the tools and materials in the descriptions, so please be sure to check that. We will use memory wire to make this bracelet, and I'm using size large. I like to cut the wires here, leaving a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch to make the loops. You will want to use a memory wire cutter to cut the wires, and also this tool here to smooth out the end so that it doesn't poke or scratch you. We will start by creating a small loop on one end of the wire, and you can do that to both wires. Memory wires are a lot tougher to work with, so you have to put in some force here. You will need 3 hearts and 2 diamonds to make this bracelet, and I'm using the succulent mix, which I think goes really well with the turquoise heart. Start by adding 10 beads to one of your memory wires. Put one side of the top of the heart through the memory wire, and then add 5 beads, and then put the other side of the heart through the memory wire. I did have to adjust the number of beads I add as I was making the bracelet, so don't count the beads you see on the screen, just pay attention to the instructions that I give. Now add 18 beads and then one of the white diamonds to the memory wire. Add another 18 beads after the white diamond, and then add one side of the heart. Add 5 more beads and then put the other side of the heart through the memory wire. Next, you will add 18 beads, a white diamond, another 18 beads, and then the heart like what we did just now. That brings us here where we have some wires left. I have enough space left for 12 seed beads before creating my loop. The number of seed beads you add here depends on how much space you have left. Just make sure you leave enough wire to make a loop. I also want to mention that while I am using size 11 seed bead and you are probably also using size 11 seed beads do vary in size depending on the type of seed bead you're using and also the brand. So when you are adding the second tier, make sure you are taking a close look at your bracelet. If there's any area that is bulging out or not aligned, you might need to remove or add a seed bead. Okay, so we are done with the top of the bracelet. Now we will add the bottom part. Add 13 seed beads to your second memory wire. Put the second memory wire through the bottom of the first heart. If you recall, we have 18 beads on the top between the heart and diamond. When I added 21 beads on the bottom, it worked pretty well. Once you have added 21 seed beads, you can put the memory wire through the diamond. From here on, we'll be adding 21 seed beads between the diamond and the heart. Take a look at the bracelet and make sure everything looks good, everything is aligned before adding more seed beads and putting it through the next diamond or heart. Alright, I have gone all the way to the end. I added some seed beads, leaving just enough space on the wire to make a loop. And there we have it, a bangle bracelet. I hope you like the way it turned out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!